Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can easily get the auto velocity effect on CapCut. So here I've already opened CapCut apps. If you want to find the auto velocity, you can start by clicking on the new project and then just select your clip. So after you add the video will be open in the CapCut timeline like this. And to get the velocity effect, you can just click on the clip and then go to style, and in here just swipe until you find the video effect. Click on it and you'll also find the auto velocity option, so just click on that and wait for CapCut to generate the auto velocity effects to your clip. Okay, so here you can adjust the interval between two beats, but if you already satisfied with the result, you can just go back, and this is the auto velocity on your clip. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.